Working from home has become all that very important during lockdown, especially during these tough times of Corona and COVID-19. And if you're anybody like me who has to communicate with his team members and colleagues every day, then you do realize the importance of a good toolkit. Now let's start with the unboxing of this MPOW HC5. So this is the box I got from Amazon, and it's not packed or anything, easy to open up, doesn't look anything fancy. So what do we have? Okay, box, nothing inside. We have a user's manual, very box standard, nothing special. I think everything these days has one. This is quite important. This is an Amazon gift card by the looks of it. Quite interesting. I don't know, I've not used it myself. I'll update the description in the comments below to see, let you know if this works. I have some sort of a MPOW membership benefits card, 2-year free warranty, and this seems to be very important. Now, this talks about an important reminder that this headphone can only be charged with a 5V adapter and using a USB port only. So that's really important, because when you need to buy an adapter to charge this thing, you need to make sure that it's 5V, because this pack does not come with a charger. So now what's inside? The headset, which seems quite good. It rotates, the mic stick's quite nice. What else is in there? We have this pack, which has a set of 2 cables, 3.5mm audio cable, quite important these days, and a charging cable, which is a micro USB cable. Again, as I mentioned, it does not come with a charger. You will have to use your own. Now what I'll do is try and pair this device with my Apple iPhone. That's the phone I use. So as the manual suggests, we need to switch our headphone on and see how it goes. And it has switched on. Now what I need to do is I need to switch off my Bluetooth, switch on my Bluetooth and see in my settings if I can find this device. As you can see, I have found MPOW HC5. I'll click on it, and by the sounds of it, it has been connected with my phone. And let's see if it works. I'll go on to maybe YouTube and try and play a video. And you can see it's playing through my headset. So that was quite simple and easy. Sample test recording from the new headset. This is a test recording from MPOW HC5 Bluetooth headset. Testing 1, 2, 3.